When on a call, either internal or external, you may park the call. This is placing it on a system hold, so any other phone is able to pick it up. Click the park button, and the call is parked. You'll notice on the park icon, there's an indicator. If I click that icon, it will show me the park ID, who parked the call. In this case, it's myself. And the screen will indicate the amount of time the call has been parked. To retrieve the call, click the green pickup button. And I'm back on the original call. If you do park a call, be aware that you need to let the person that the call is for know that the caller is holding on a park location. You may do this by instant messaging the person, calling the extension, or even paging.